Hi, my name is Jordan. I'm a first year apprentice at EDM Zone. This is the day in life at work. So hello everyone, my name is Jordan. I'm a first year apprentice at EDM Zone, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a day in life at work from the minute I wake up to the second I go home. So starting off today, I had a lovely morning walking down the quayside to work, and then we arrived at work. We had a EDM Zone wire machine that had to get stripped down ready for this next job. So starting off the day, I had to clean down the machine, which is a quite important process, how it's got to be cleaned down and ready for the next job getting put on. It's got to have nothing, it's got to be really clean. Next up, we've got stoning the table down. So I've basically had to stone the table down to make sure the table is completely flat, ready for the job to get put on, which is a massive job that's going to be getting put on. So I've got to make sure that the full table is definitely flat and ready to get used. So starting off, this is the job that we're going to be using for the EDM Zone wire machine. It's a massive job, that's why I've had to make sure the table's flat, because the job's going to be covering the full table. This is the job getting sprayed down, ready to get put onto the machine. And this is the job getting put onto the machine for the EDM Zone wires. So later on in the day now, and I'm going to be doing some milling. Milling is an industry in engineering which I'm really intrigued about, and I really want to be going into this trade in engineering. So that was me programming for the drive shoes, and these are the tools that I've set up: a 4.5 drill, a 4 mini L mill, rougher and finisher, a 4.5 ball nose, and a 90-degree spot drill. So this is me setting my tool height with 100 milli slip. So the tool height is 128.64, and that will go into the tool offset. So starting off, I've done my first hole and it's 9 milli from the back, so I've got to measure how far back it is, but I've only went 0.1 deep to ensure that I've got the job correct, which from the estimate result it looks fine from the datums I've set on each vise. So this is the first one I done. It was this will be getting the first off to make sure all the dimensions are correct. You can see the chamfer on the top, the hole, the engraving, and that's what I was doing. This is me setting up the jobs with a little bit of a time lapse, setting up the jobs, make sure they're all flat on top of the vise and on the side. So this is the end of my EDM Zone vlog. Make sure to let me know if you did enjoy the video. This is a day in life at work. I hope you did enjoy, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you everyone, goodbye.